Well, today, the all-important hearing of the Pushpa 2 star is slated to be heard in the Hyderabad court. Allu Arjun is all set to appear for his regular bail hearing. And the DGP yesterday said that law will take its own course. And Allu Arjun has also reposed his faith in the judiciary, saying that justice will prevail. We have Aneri joining us live on this broadcast. Aneri, today Allu Arjun is all slated to appear before the court for his much anticipated bail plea hearing. What is expected?
Well, Deepak, what we have been seeing is that Allu Arjun's bail plea, this is the regular bail plea which will be heard in the Sessions Court today, where earlier we had seen that there was a hearing that had taken place, but then it was passed over to the Sessions Court. And so the Allu Arjun's counsel and the legal team will be there at the court, and there will be an argument, there will be a hearing in this regard of Allu Arjun's regular bail plea will be heard today. So will he be granted bail plea or not, regular bail or not, remains to be seen by the court. And also remember, Allu Arjun is out on 4 weeks of interim bail that ends in January. But before that also we had seen that on Friday there were two hearings, one being the regular bail plea which will be now heard today, and another one being the Sandhya Theatre trial case. That trial case will be heard on 10th of January. Allu Arjun had appeared for that through virtually, but now when we talk about the bail plea, the regular bail plea which is filed by Allu Arjun's legal team in the Nampally court, that was passed over to the Sessions Court and will be heard today in the Sessions Court. So we'll have to wait and watch what comes out of the regular bail plea. Will Allu Arjun be granted the regular bail or not remains to be seen.
Well, Aneri, if you could summarize for our viewers what has happened so far in the case, from his arrest to him being sent to judicial custody and his last hearing on Friday. Tell us about the latest as well.
Well, Deepak, what we have been seeing is that since 4th of December, this incident has now sparked a massive controversy. On the 4th of December, on the premiere show, as you can see in the visuals also, how Allu Arjun had arrived there at the Sandhya Theatre, which led to the death of one woman due to suffocation. Two others also fell unconscious, following which we had seen that police officials had registered a case against Allu Arjun, being the accused number 11, and then later arrest of Allu Arjun had led to a massive political war of words and massive face-off as well. Allu Arjun was remanded for 14 days of judicial custody, but following which we also saw that Telangana High Court had granted him an interim bail of 4 weeks. And now Allu Arjun was also called for questioning, and he was questioned at the Chikatpalli police station for 4 hours. He was questioned. Near about 20 to 25 questions were posed to him in connection with the incident that had taken place on the 4th of December. And also not only that, but we also see that there was a meeting of the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy along with the film industry, and definitely there were discussions that went on in regard with this incident and various other film related incidents, following which we also saw that there was a hearing on Friday that took place in connection with the Sandhya Theatre trial case, where Allu Arjun was remanded for 14 days. And now we see that hearing of Sandhya Theatre trial case will be taking place on 10th of January. And also at the same time, the regular bail petition, which was filed on Friday by Allu Arjun's counsel, will be heard today.
Right, Aneri, many thanks for joining us with those latest details. The case hearing is on January 10th, but today is the regular bail hearing. All eyes will be on the Sessions Court, whether or not Allu Arjun will be granted the much-needed relief or not. Let's now take a look at the other top stories that we're tracking from across the nation in Bharat in 5 minutes.